but that's not your immediate thought. Not everyone thinks like us or like you and me, you know. So obviously we saw people standing here and they didn't do anything. And we were kind of frustrated about that at the beginning. But then reflecting back on it, we said, this is good in a way that because we can build on this. Like just the fact that we're there, picking up that trash and they're looking at us doing it, is planting a seed, an idea, planting a thought, saying, I'm sitting here and they're doing that and I'm looking at them and I'm not doing anything, but like that, what is going on? Like there's trash and they're picking it up for me. So if we can create this awareness in the youth, especially, we can change the future of our oceans. And this is especially true because when we become alive to the idea, to the fact that we have a problem, we can act upon it. So this is done especially one beach at a time. And if we start by taking small steps, we can make great changes. What's your question?
Well, if you have a question, but can I say a comment?
Yeah.
Well, aside from also being like a good thing that the person was watching me, perhaps it could also be a bad thing because like as I don't remember if it was you again, but you said that like they were saying like, oh, it's not important, somebody else would go and clean it for me.
Yes,
that was me.
Exactly. You're right. And it's true that mentality has to be broken. That's why our project is based on awareness. Because the fact that I see somebody else clean it, but there's a difference between seeing the person clean it and saying, I'm doing something wrong, and I'm aware that there's trash. When there's awareness in the youth's mind especially, there's going to be something done. I'm going to put like an example right now. It's like everything in Venezuela that's been going on. The youth woke up, they became alive, and something happened, something changed. The youth are powerful, and we want to focus on that. That's the main idea of our project, the youth, because when we become alive, we make changes. Yeah, so you see that what we saw there, we cleaned everything, of course, and we did our best to show people. And yeah, so now I'm going to leave you off with Rodrigo, who's going to explain what is our main goal with our project, what we want to achieve at a local level. But we need your help also. Thank you.
Alright guys, so when we went to the beach cleanup, we thought it's impossible to clean whole beaches in like groups of 5. It's just ridiculous the amount of trash that there is there. So we thought, alright, well, what can we do? Our ultimate goal would be to create a national beach cleanup day, starting with Panama. You know, we can get awareness out there, get people to know that these beaches are dirty. And these are the beaches that the people of Panama go to. Like, they can't afford the private beaches that hotels and 5-star resorts have. So they go to these beaches, and because they have no education on the matter, that's one of the reasons why they throw their trash there. They just don't know any better. But if we get word out there that this is not good, you need to try to do something about it. If they can, take a bag with them, anything, to just not leave the trash at the beach. So what we can do is, once we raise awareness, do events and things like that, maybe put a day that would be for Panama to create a beach cleanup day. Just like they have races to raise cancer awareness. If we do, let's say, a race on the beach, but before the race, you need to clean the whole area that the race is gonna be on. And if there's groups of 300 people, I mean, that's way easier to clean up a beach with 300 people than 5. So we do that, and then we could go on and maybe make a Facebook group, which we are already on. That's what we're doing right now. We have it, but it's just the bare skeleton. It's called Helping Our Waters, How. And what we're going to do is start posting stuff on there, get it a little bit more pretty, and then we're going to release it to the public. You guys can go like it. We'll show you what it is at the end of the presentation. And that way we can get like the whole world to know this. Like, we can start with Panama, because this is like our thing, and then we can expand it on. But you guys need to like go out, tell your friends, this is all of Latin America that we're putting in this. And then even further on, Asia, Australia, because it's every beach in the world. Like, you saw the pictures of the guy that came to talk. In the middle of the Pacific Ocean, the bottles from America and China are going there. Like, no one thinks about that. Like, when you think about it, currents actually take the trash away. Also, we need to get people to realize that they aren't cleaning up just their beaches. If they don't throw trash into the ocean, currents can't drift it down into other countries. Because if you clean up your beach in Panama, but Mexico doesn't know that they can't throw trash in the water, that trash is going to drift down back to Panama, and then you've got the whole beach cleanup thing to do again. So we need to get like enough people to know so that we're not polluting anymore. We need to like stop it at the root. All right. And well, yeah. Once we have that, we want to get the whole world involved. That's like our ultimate. Like that would be a great goal. But Panama's like our realistic thing. All right. All right, guys.
So these people are throwing to the bay and like they're just throwing to the beach. What are you telling? Like, what solution are you giving them?
Well, first of all, we have to educate. You know how other groups like they're trying to get sponsors and things like that. We do races where people like we get big sponsors from Panama, which they do a lot because Panama relies a lot on tourism. So if we get like hotels, things like that to sponsor beach cleanups, we can get events that people will go to voluntarily. Like they won't feel that it's like a job that they're doing. That they feel like, oh, it's an event that you can go to and have fun.
They'll think of it as like a big thing because it's all about big things.
And we also have schools who are in contact in Panama, not just us. Like our school, Balboa Academy, has an ecology club, but everybody else we can join in with their ecology clubs and do the school-wide thing.
Because there are beach cleanup days that our school funds.
Question?
Okay, guys.
I have two questions.
Yeah.
Is the subject?
Yeah, we're
Yes.
starting the club.
Yes.
We're just starting.
What we want to do is create a network of people from schools around Panama City. So we create a national beach cleanup day, and we get with other like science departments, and we talk to each other, and we make this happen.
Okay, guys.
You had another question, though.
Okay.
What's your question?
Last question.
Okay, so the presentation you mentioned,
Guys. Go on.
at the beginning of your presentation you mentioned that all the trash ends up in the river and fish, right? But what exactly happens after you pick up the trash? Where does it go?
You see, awareness is not only just like looking at the beaches already. Awareness is also knowing that you're not supposed to do it.
This is a growing process.
If you know, like, you don't throw it, so after some time, you that be educated about this and know that it's hard to clean the beach, go clean it, maybe I should have learned it first.
And then
Also,
what
when
we do
we-
with that trash is sort it and recycle it, of course.
Yeah.
Of course, now we all know we can't recycle plastic bottles, so
There's no such thing. But I mean, we did pick it up. Right now, what we did was get it off the beach.
Exactly.
Like that was our main thing. Because we were 5 people. It's like a baby steps first.
okay, we have one last question. Last question, and we're gonna move on.
Get people to stop doing the crap.
But like, so, no, but like where, so okay, so don't go to the beach, throw it. Right.
There'll be a box right here, and they will throw it next to the dam.
This is the mentality of
The
the beach.
beaches in Panama, the public beaches, there are no taxes. There's not so that's like what part of awareness, right? You know you're not supposed to throw it. There has to be a question and everything.
That thing you guys were talking about, is that the one that's like in front of the house?
No. The Boca La Caja is a very secluded place inside the actual
In
city.
fact, if you want, I can show you. If you see that, if you saw the buildings behind that, there's buildings.
Yes, this
Right
place
next to
is
it.
marked. The Panama government is very intelligent. What it does when it sees things that affect its tourism, it marks it as a probably dangerous place to go. And also, it is a dangerous place to go. So this is a very secluded area inside the government. So it's nothing that you would encounter. So
Okay, so next.
Okay, now guys, what we're gonna do is we're breaking into groups. Each one of you has a card in your hand. Please put your card and you're gonna see the
Okay, guys. So finally, I want to ask you. I want you to have a minute to think about this. When people are oppressed and they are abused by greater powers, we answer with revolution, right? You know, the French Revolution, the Liberal Revolutions of 1840, the American Revolution, the independence of Latin America. All of these happened because abuse has come from above and we don't like it. It harms us. So who is to guarantee me that won't happen with the ocean. We are abusing the ocean. The animals don't appreciate what we're doing, and the environment itself doesn't appreciate it. I know this may sound a bit silly, but I want you to take a look at this video and witness the revolution of the ocean.
We were trying to get out. It's cold, it's wet. Every morning I wake up phlegmy.
What's all that sewage we keep dumping?
That was you?
Did we turn all right? Take the one who wronged you. I am King Snorky, hereby banish all humans to the sea.
I do now. Where are we going?
Wait, stop. We can let's drive us back to the ocean!
Alright, so thank you guys all for coming. We really appreciate your attention, and we hope you come out of here with a little bit more
Conscious.
Yeah.